Joe Beermaster of a 2008 Honda CRV. We're going to change the headlight bulb. This is on the driver's side. This is the most difficult. One way of doing it is taking the headlight out. You would have to drop the bumper, get some screws under here, take the grill out. But the quickest way, it's still very difficult, it's back in here, is to take this out, the fuse box. And the way you do that, you got to squeeze these plugs. And then there's 3 clips holding the box down. 1, 2, 3. So you push them in or pull it out and pull up. And same thing with the back. And we're going to pull it out. Once you get them loose, it pulls right out. A little difficult. So once we get that pulled up and out of the way, got to use a little force. So once we get that out of the way, I want to get in here, and this is where the socket is. Pull this off. It's got a little ring, little seal. I'm gonna get that out of there. Pull the wire out first, then pull the seal off. This is a tough one.
On here, so you can. No,
right, so now we got this out. We got the rubber off. There's a little clip in there that holds the light. You just flick the clip off. See that?
Here comes the bulb.
The bulb.
Yeah, she's toast.
And then you want to put it back
the
exact same way, because that clip grounds it.
Yes. All right, go find a
So
bulb.
it's done. So we got the new bulb. Here's the wire.
A lot of times you can't get them back out, so don't push it that's the new one. All right, don't push it all the way in because it has lock pins.
So we got the new light clipped in. Now we're going to put the rubber back on and then plug the wire in, and it's done. That's the water seal. So that's one way of doing it. Or you can take the whole light out, which is a pain in the neck to get to because you got to drop the bumper. But this is the quickest way.
Fender cover, radiator cover.
Yeah, but we don't want to do that. So this is the fastest way, I would say, even though it's very difficult to take this fuse box out and do this. So we're going to just reassemble it, and that's how you do it. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching.